Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a video on this look here. It's just a simple cat eye look. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, then let's get right on into it. First, I'm going to start off by priming my eye. So I'm going to start out by priming my eye with this Estee Lauder concealer. Then I'm going to go in with my contour shade here, and I'm just going to put this in the crease and just buff this out. I'm going in with this contour shade here because I feel like for a cat eye look, the focus should be on the liner instead of the eyeshadow. So I'm just going to keep the eyeshadow very simple, and then we're going to focus more on the wing. I want to keep the lid pretty matte and neutral, so I'm just going in with the matte shade from the Dark Magic palette called Poof. I'm going to use this small Morphe brush. It is the Morphe M213 brush, and I'm going to go in with this black shade. I'm just going to smudge this on my lash line. Then I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics brush. This is the number 12 brush. It doesn't have any letters, it just says number 12. And I'm going to get it wet with some setting spray. And I'm going to dip back into that black shadow, and I'm just going to create a wing. Just like that. Okay, so I've done the rest of my face, and I'm going to come back and finish my eye and show you how to do that. I'm going to go take the same black eyeshadow, and I'm going to smudge it on the lower lash line. Normally with black eyeshadow, I'm really light-handed and I don't do much of it. But with this look, you're focusing on the liner and you want your eyes to pop. Now I'm going to do mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Just throw on some lashes that are more dramatic towards the outer corners and you'll be set. I just did a more neutral lip and neutral. I actually didn't even put blush on. Just keep everything neutral with some strong brows and a simple cat eye, and you will be good to go. So thank you guys so much for watching. If there's anything else you'd like to see, please leave it in the comments below. Please like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel. I so appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye y'all.